Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2009 Toyota Tacoma pre-runner. I'm going to show you how to replace a broken tailgate handle. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. Phillips screwdriver, 1/4-inch ratchet, 1/4-inch extension, 10mm socket, flat tip screwdriver, and some spray lubricant. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a rear tailgate handle I bought from the Toyota dealer. Okay, first we're going to be removing this cover. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 screws that we got to remove before this cover comes off. Okay, so right here is worn out. In fact, it's broken. So I'm going to be opening up the tailgate. So these two rods, I'm going to be pulling it together to open the tailgate. We're going to be removing these two linkages. Removing these two bolts. And remove the handle. Installing the handle. Bolting this guy up. Connecting the linkages. Okay, so before I put the panel back on, I'm going to lubricate these linkages. I got some spray lubricant. Putting back this panel. Don't screw it on tight yet. Just put all these screws on first. And then tighten it up. So now we got all the bolts in place. Now we can tighten it up. Works perfect. You're good to go. So that's how you replace the outside tailgate handle. If you have any questions, comment below. Make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.